So, you had a bad day? Need something to cheer you up? Then eat a pie. Or something. It didn't cheer you up? Apparently, you need to do some damage to brighten up your day. Maybe kill someone. A pie? Or something? Why don't you just kill that penguin in your computer? That might make you feel better. It will? Great. Here's how you do it. Open terminal. Run this totally harmless command. And watch how your system fades away with all your important, not backed up stuff. Operation Not Permitted message might fool you that the bullet missed that poor penguin's head. But in reality, penguin is dying with slow, painful death. After the command is finished, you'll realize that penguin is now just a zombie. None of the stuff that you see at the moment actually works. To finish the penguin, just restart the computer. Feel better? Really? You really are a pie. Or something.